don't know, but time will show, and we'll both grow. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amina Johari here, and I look a mess. Well, today's video is basically just gonna be how I prep my hair to go under my wigs. I look a little crazy because I fell asleep with makeup on last night and I didn't take it off yet, so I look a little wild, but that's okay. So let's get into the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This is my hair fresh out of, you know, my braids under my wig. I haven't touched it, I haven't done anything to it yet, so let's get started. Okay, I just also want to add that this white stuff on my edges is definitely gel and edge control, so yeah.
I literally wouldn't be the man I am today without black women. But I can easily confess that I stand on the shoulders of even stronger women who inspire me to love with patience. Black women deserve better. They deserve more. And it's time we show up.
God knew what he was doing when he made you. Yeah, girl, it's so true. Baby, you ain't top 5, girl, you top 2. Yeah, and you not tall. They used to tease you about your hair back in high school. Yeah, and that's not cool. All of a sudden you done glowed and they want you. Back and brand new, yeah. Slow it down and turn around, yeah. Hair's curvy and it's bouncing. All that volume speaking loud, but don't you quiet down, go be proud of ya. Skin like chocolate, the darkest. You got everybody losing focus. Don't let nobody treat you like you're not important. When you the dopest, yeah. Shorty got that 4C hair and her skin look just like almonds. I just wanna take her hand and then take care of all her problems. Worry about your insecurities. Baby girl, you're everything I need. She got that 4C hair and her skin look just like almonds. Oh yeah, yeah. Take your time to realize you're a queen in my eyes. And anybody saying you ain't beautiful, girl, they gotta be blind. Yeah, you spend a lot of nights crying, wondering why you the target of their violence. It's cause they knew that you was turned into a diamond. It's cause they know you meant to shine, got them wildin', yeah. Every step you take, you get grown up. You be running shit like the owner. Can never be nobody on no corner. You always do it better than the former, yeah. Skin like chocolate, the darkest. Got everybody losing focus. Don't let them treat you like you're not important when you the dopest. Shorty got that 4C hair and her skin look just like almonds. I just wanna take her hand and then take care of all her problems. Worry about your insecurities. Baby girl, you're everything I need. She got that 4C hair and her skin look just like almonds. Oh yeah, yeah. Just like almonds. I just wanna take care of all her problems. Oh, you got that insecurities. Everything I need. Oh.
I literally wouldn't be the man I am today without black women. But I can easily confess that I stand on the shoulders of even stronger women who inspire me to love with patience. Black women deserve better. They deserve more. And it's time we show up.
God knew what he was doing when he made you. Yeah, girl, it's so true. Baby, you ain't top 5, girl, you top 2. Yeah, and you not tall. They used to tease you about your hair back in high school. Yeah, and that's not cool. All of a sudden you done glowed and they want you. Back and brand new, yeah. Slow it down and turn around, yeah. Hair's curvy and it's bouncing. All that volume speaking loud, but don't you quiet down, go be proud of ya. Skin like chocolate, the darkest. You got everybody losing focus. Don't let nobody treat you like you're not important when you the dopest, yeah. Shorty got that 4C hair and her skin look just like almonds. I just wanna take her hand and then take care of all her problems. Worry about your insecurities. Baby girl, you're everything I need. She got that 4C hair and her skin look just like all mine. Oh yeah, yeah. Take your time to realize you're a queen in my eyes. And anybody saying you ain't beautiful, girl, they gotta be blind. Yeah, you spend a lot of nights crying, wondering why you the target of their violence. It's cause they know that you was turned into a diamond. It's cause they know you meant to shine, got them wildin', yeah. Every step you take, you get grown up. You be running shit like the owner. Can never be nobody on no corner. You always do it better than the former, yeah. Skin like chocolate, the darkest. Got everybody losing focus. Don't let them treat you like you're not important when you the dopest. Shorty got that 4C hair and her skin look just like her. I just wanna take her hand and then take care of all her problems. Worry about your insecurities, baby girl, you're everything I need. She got that 4C hair and her skin look just like all mine. Oh yeah, yeah. Just like all mine. I just wanna take care of all her problems. Oh, you got that securities, everything I need. Oh.
Inspire me to love with patience. Black women deserve better. They deserve more. And it's time we show up.
God knew what he was doing when he made you. Yeah, girl, it's so true. Baby, you ain't top 5, girl, you top 2. Yeah, and you not tall. They used to teach you about your hair back in high school. Yeah, and that's not cool. All of a sudden you done glowed and they want you. Back and brand new, yeah, yeah. Slow it down and turn around, yeah. Hair's curvy and it's bouncing. All that volume speaking loud, but don't you quiet down, go be proud of, yeah. Skin like chocolate, the darkest. You got everybody losing focus. Don't let nobody treat you like you're not important when you the dopest, yeah. Shorty got that 4C hair and her skin look just like almonds. I just wanna take her hand and then take care of all her problems. Worry about your insecurities, baby girl, you're everything I need.
So after I blow dry my hair, it's been a few days, so don't mind my meeks, but yes, I braided my hair. I want to give y'all a little, I guess, I don't know, a better visual of it. So I braided my hair pretty small to go under my wig. Actually, my mom braided this. Shout out to her, she the goat. But yeah, I try to get my braids as small as I can so they can fit under my wig, because I usually try to flip them up like this under my wig so I can get like a real flat surface. Please don't mind my nails. I feel you judging me. But yeah, so once I braid up my hair, I use an oil to moisturize my scalp, because what's key to get your hair to grow and just to take care of your hair under your wig is for it to be moisturized. So I look like Omarion. Baby, I want you to be my entourage. So yeah, so I use this oil concoction I created. It's a little bit of Wild Grow. I use this oil. Boom, I use this oil. Everything will be linked in my description, of course. I use black castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil. And then I use this Haitian black castor oil and I mix it all together and I moisturize my scalp. Next thing I do is take the same oil, put some in my hand. And then I take some of this, the same on Jackie's leave-in conditioner. Pour some of that. Just a little bit. Then I mix it together. And I put that on the ends of my hair, because your hair will grow, but if you don't take care of your ends, you're just gonna have to keep cutting a lot off. So you're gonna be growing your hair for literally nothing, because you're just gonna have to keep cutting off the growth. And who wants to do that? that's the end of my routine. Thank you guys for watching so much. I really hope you guys learned something. Let me know if there's anything that I did that you do, or if there's any products that maybe I should try. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to, you know, stay up to date with me. Make sure you check out my music down below, my covers down below. I have so much new stuff coming. I'm so excited. Make sure you watch my other hair videos. I have a bunch of wig videos. I have a few natural hair videos. So thank you guys for watching again. Love you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Later.